Alrighty, ready. So, a couple edits we made last time, not looking so realistic. Let's get rid of those. Here's how. Right now I have this awful mouth on my forehead, and it's right here. I don't want it anymore. If I click on the trash can, it can say "See you later," gone. All right. How about try getting my nose and my forehead? If I remove my nose, bring it up here. Let's try that. So I'm begin by kind of zooming in and then do a little bit of a lasso. I'm going to do a kind of a rough cutting. I'm on the correct layer. Just a quick rough cutting to grab more than I need. And I cut what I don't want away later. I encircle the whole thing. I'm on the right layer. I'm going to go Control C copy, Control V paste. And then just push my nose and my forehead for now. And then, of course, I can always use my erasing tricks we learned last time. And I'm on my nose and just kind of take away what I don't want of that to make it look a little more like it's already on my forehead. Okay? So that we can work with. I'll finish that part later. But it's kind of getting it close. Next is if I want to use, scoot over here for now, use this part of my screen to cover this. I want to hide this. That has to be gone. I want to have my nose gone and put up here. So I can borrow this as a patch to put down here. Remember from your face, the clone stamp tool or the 16 squares? It's here too. It's right here on the clone stamp tool. I want to go to my source, which is this photo. I want to grab this and paint it over here. All right. I'm going to go a little bit bigger brush because it's a little bit small. Kind of have a lot of space to fill. Okay. So again, the trick is hold the Shift or Control Alt. Alt. So you're going to aim at your source. I want to borrow this part of my skin. Alt. See my keyboard change or my cursor change? Let it go. Cursor change. See that? So Alt. Click the source. Let go of Alt. And now I'm going to paint from that source, that plus on my forehead. I'm grabbing that skin and painting it, click and drag, down here, click and drag, click and drag. And if I notice I'm going to find a new source, what do? Come up here, Alt, grab a new source, let go of Alt, come back down, and I'm painting from a new source. So I'm going to try to blend in my forehead onto where my nose is. Just kind of hide my nose with some skin on my forehead. Is it looking pretty okay? It's getting there. But see, if I had an entire, say, half an hour to devote to this, it'd look pretty awesome, I bet. But for now, we're getting it close. Okay? So we'll zoom out a couple clicks. I'm going to go Control minus, 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 minus. Looking better. Still a little bit fake here yet. If I use maybe that a burn tool or a dodge tool to get some color back in that, might not be so fake. So maybe a burn tool. Let's give a little bit of color in that. Maybe a little softer brush, a little lighter brush, a little bit less powerful of a brush, just to kind of darken a little bit of where shadow lines would be on that to make it look a little more realistic. Okay, so maybe you can get a nose can be gone, maybe your ear can be gone, and then for my nose up here, I can bring that nose back, bring it back to where it needs to go, and let's have the nostrils be a little more even with my eyebrows. So let's just turn this a teeny bit. Let's park it right about there. And then we can erase more of this part away. Again, I'm on my nose layer, right? Visible, invisible, nose layer. Let's pull this nose chunk off. So it looks like it was always there. So it might take a little bit of editing, but we'll get it. Again, we have 4 days to slowly kind of tinker on this. I wouldn't try to rush this. Take your time on it. Really kind of step back and look. How's it looking now? Does it look believable? Does it look a little fake? Can you bring mom or dad in the room and say, Mom or Dad, check out my face? What do you think? What can I change on it? What can I fix on it? Let's make it better. Okay? I'm going to zoom out. So that'd be my suggestion is find someone in your family that can ask, hey, am I getting closer with my finished product? Am I getting closer to be two-faced? So I got my nose moved, double eyes, I go double eyes, maybe go double mouth. So that's one option for that one, all right? Maybe you want to take your entire face and watch here once. The entire face, I'll do it real quick just so you can see an example. Entire face, it's a bad drawing of it. And we can go copy paste. And I can spin this. Can I make my face upside down maybe? Oh, where am I going? Can't see it anymore. There I am. And somehow make my forehead blend into where my neck is. And then make my where my neck was kind of go away. So yes, it's option 2. So I can kind of take away what I don't want and blend them in to look like it was always there. So one option is, there we go, upside down face. But I want to kind of cut my neck smoother to make it look not so fake, right? But again, you have time, tinker on this, no need to hurry or panic. Questions, hey, let me know.